Hey everybody, this is Brian with the Instructional Tech Coordinator team here in the School District of Waukesha. We're going to take a look at the Google Docs app, which is available for iOS or on your iPad. And we want to just take a look at what collaboration tools are available when we look specifically at the Google Docs app. So here I have two different iOS devices, an iPhone and an iPad, both pulled up in two separate accounts so we can take a look at what is actually available when we collaborate and what real-time collaboration looks like using Google Docs on an iOS device. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start with the plus button down here on the lower right. That's going to allow me to create a new document. So we're going to call this collaborative writing. And we're going to go ahead and create that. So you'll see I'm ready to begin writing over on the right-hand side on my iPad. So hey, let's write a paper about a road trip. Great. Now I'm going to invite somebody. So in the upper right-hand corner, I'm going to go ahead and click the three dots. Share. And now I'm going to enter the name of the person that I would like to share with. So I'm going to enter my personal account and give them edit access. Great. So now I'm just waiting for that person to accept on the other document. All right. Let's see if that showed up on my other document. So I'm going to go to incoming, and I see that I've got the collaborative writing from that document. So let's pull it up. Now, what do we notice happening right away? Well, we've got two different colored cursors here, a turquoise color and a pink color, which indicate where the person is selected or when they have their cursor at that point. So I'm going to go ahead and move my turquoise one down and begin typing, and you'll see real time what's happening. And we can jump back and forth. And we'll do something like this. Great. So now we can see that we're writing back and forth. Now, whenever we do collaboration on a Google document, one of the things that we love when we do it on a browser is the ability to comment. And so let's see if that ability is available here. So we're going to go ahead and get this piece right here. I'm going to select that word, and I'm going to hit the word comment. It's going to open up my commenting area, and I can say, why does it have to be dark? So now we can see on both of them that there is some sort of comment there. On my phone over here, I'm going to go ahead and tap on that. And I can see, yep, there's something there. So I can either comment myself to see what the comment is and reply, because it's a scary story. Lovely. So here is what the functionality exists inside of our Google Docs. And we can now see that really it is a collaborative writing process with almost all of the features we would want for people to communicate in a Google Doc for collaborative writing and communication between the two. So as you can see, we've got a lot of great features there in this format. One of the other things that I do really like about writing on these mobile devices is the idea that, sometimes typing, especially over here on my phone, can be a little bit difficult. So I'm going to go ahead and just do a text entry by selecting the little microphone down here. She was angry at everything that had happened the night before. Period. So now we can just start getting ideas fleshed out here as we speak it. It's taken into the Google document, and we can work from there. Does that work for commenting as well? Well, let's see. Select, comment, and it's not really a paper. It's more of a fictional story, period. Let's keep it a fictional short story, period. And so that even works in the commenting, allowing us to speed up our communication just by having the ability to go speech to text in the document. So a lot of great features that are available as we look at what we can do in that Google Docs app on iOS. Now, one of the things that is missing that you might like to see is a revision history. That revision history can still be viewed on a Google browser or a Chrome browser, Safari browser, any kind of web browser. Revision history can still be viewed there. So revision history still exists even when they're created in a Google Doc like this, but on the mobile app. But it's not directly visible today in February of 2015 for you to take a look at. The other piece that's really functional and nice about the Google Docs for the iOS app is the fact that if we lose our connection, we're going to still be able to keep writing. And one of the things you're going to learn how to do right away is when we select the three buttons here in the upper right-hand side, so right here they are, and once I've selected it, it looks something like this. I'm going to click Keep on Device. And that means that it's going to keep a copy of this so I can keep working even when I'm offline, which is great for kids who don't have access at home for the ride between school and home, or for sitting in the dentist office or somewhere where I don't have online access. So great way to use that local storage that's available on the iPad. So that is the Docs, Google Docs for iOS app in a nutshell, just in the way that we could use it for collaborative writing.